We've trained as many as 4,70,000 teachers who in turn touch the lives of 20 million students. Towards local innovation. Now, sure, a lot of us would have visited schools in villages at points of time and seen these classrooms where there's this only one computer and there's one person who probably has a charge of mouse, and he's probably either the most intelligent child in the class or the class bully who's taking control. And what happens at the end of the day? The student, out of losing interest, either drop out or they kind of just don't continue the education that the way they want to. Now, we work across with the local ecosystem towards creating the multi-point technology. It has two folds. It has two factors in it. The first one is the access of a single monitor by as many as 30 students with 30 individual minds. What is the benefit of this? It makes education a collaborative, learning, fun experience, and everybody learns. The second part is about multi-point server, wherein to bridge the affordability gap, you can have one server in an environment which can be connected across as many as 10 nodes. So this again takes care of affordability issues which come across in schools. Finally, coming across to how we work across with the ecosystem towards creation of jobs and opportunities, we've done this under a program called Jyoti, wherein we have worked across with NGOs and the CTLCs towards ensuring that we work across with the underprivileged or the underserved sections of the society, towards increasing their IT literacy or job skill set so that they become employable in the future. In this, we've kind of touched the lives of as many as 240,000 persons who are in the realm of going into the mainstream job market. So that brings me to the overall summary of my presentation. All that I would like to do by summarizing is saying that there are various ways that learning can touch the lives of the millions of people if we kind of look at innovating and working as a collective thought towards that. And ending that again with the vision, if we can provide IT literacy as a basic right to all 2020. Thank you.